Hello guys, how are you doing? Today let's speak about the Russian language, how is the Russian sounds like. Okay guys, I'm an Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today I want to speak about the stereotype about the Russian language. How is it? Is it really sound harsh, aggressive? I want to discuss with you why Russian language really can sound kind of hard, kind of aggressive. Also, there are a lot of jokes in the internet about how Russian language sounds like. And it seems that Russian language and the pronunciation of Russian language scares foreigners a bit and sound like we are always angry, even if we do like kind of everyday situations like order pizza. And there are some reasons for that. The Russian sound r sounds quite strongly. In some languages we don't have at all the sound r, like in Chinese. In some languages it sounds much softer, like in French, for example. So the sounds like zh, sh, c, ch, y also can scare people a bit. But in other languages also this sound exists. The sound l in Russian language also is kind of hard if we compare it to other languages. Also, Russians speak kind of fast, but I believe it depends on the area where a person lives. And we speak with lower voice. Russians pronounce the words very clear and understandable. Usually don't smile too much, I mean without the reasons. They smile less and they don't try to make everything that you like them. They just act how they are. Write in comments what do you think about the Russian language, how it sounds for you, do you like it or it's really kind of aggressive, what you think about it. My opinion is that also it depends on who speaks this. The girl with a nice voice and a strong Russian man, it will be two different situations. For example, in Russian we have a lot of jokes about the German language. For us it sounds also kind of hard. And if you're interested in learning Russian language, you can book a first class with me. All the links in description. See you soon.